Welcome to our professional guide on the purchasing and inventory management process in a hotel or restaurant. Let's take a look at how items flow from request to issuance in a smooth, controlled system. Step 121. Purchase request initiation. The process begins when the store or any concerned department identifies a need and raises a purchase request for required items. Step 2. Supplier identification. Next, the purchasing department identifies suitable suppliers who can meet our quality and delivery standards. Step 3. Request for quotations. The purchasing team contacts potential suppliers to request price quotations, including details about item availability, delivery time, and terms. Step 4. Negotiation and supplier agreement. The purchasing department negotiates the best terms regarding prices, credit policies, product standards, delivery details. Step 5. Final supplier selection. After comparison, the most suitable supplier is selected based on quality, cost, and reliability. Step 6. Purchase order preparation. The purchasing department then prepares and issues a local purchase order, LPO, confirming item descriptions, quantities, approved rates, delivery instructions. Step 7. Delivery of items by supplier. The supplier delivers items according to the LPO terms directly to the hotel's receiving area. Step 8. Receiving and inspection by storekeeper or receiving officer. Here's where accuracy is critical. The storekeeper or receiving officer must match the LPO items with the delivered goods. Verify quantities and rates against the supplier invoice. Check expiry dates, especially for perishables. Short expiry items should not be accepted unless pre-approved. Step 9. Storing the items. Once approved, items are stored in designated areas. Dry store for ambient goods. Chillers or freezers for cold storage items. Step 10. Inventory system update. A goods receiving note, GRN, is prepared and posted in the inventory management system to reflect updated stock levels. Step 11. Issuing items to departments based on departmental requisitions. Items are issued accordingly. Step 12. Goods issue note, GIN. Posting. Every issued item is recorded in the system through a goods issue note, which reduces stock accurately. Conclusion. This well-structured process ensures cost control, inventory accuracy, quality assurance, operational efficiency. Please subscribe for more insights into hotel operations and inventory management.